It has been a privilege to work with Dana and Autism Tree over the past 7 years, and it was especially delightful to work with Joel. We had precious little time together, and I look forward to another opportunity to collaborate. During our time on the beach together, we played with free-form, abstract, spontaneous art making collaboratively.
Hi everybody, welcome to Solana Beach. Absolutely gorgeous here on the West Coast. And today Andres and Joel are working on just some free earthscaping. Over here they did some different shapes, some squares, and right now they're in the process of doing spirals. So he's just teaching Joel how to get used to working with the tools and working in the sand, and they're barefoot today. They warmed up a little bit of breathing and stretching and just relaxing, and it's been awesome. Joel's been taking some breaks walking in the ocean and just feeling peaceful, and they're both so excited to create something so very special for all of you who volunteer and donate for the Autism Tree Project Foundation. This is what it's all about.
This raking art form on the beach is an awesome way for families of all ages and abilities to collaboratively create together, to have fun, to play on the beach, and see what emerges.
Having the opportunity to work with Andres was amazing. I felt blessed to spend time collaborating with him to create something special for ATPF. He inspired me to try something new.
And then we moved on to working on a mandala that was a representation of some messages that Joel wanted to convey in his artwork.
The diamond symbols within this art represent ATPF's 16 years. The hearts are the love everyone shares. The ripple droplets are community. And the leaves represent growth and looking forward to the future.